Alright, so I'm here with my brand new off the showroom floor 2022 Kawasaki KLR650 base model, and it looks like I'm having an issue with the battery. So I'm just putting a trickle charger on it. I went to go start it up today. Has less than 5 miles on it. I've only taken it for a few rides. It was only sitting for a day and a half, and it would not start. So if it is not the battery, then it could very well be the starter relay or the starter. So let's hope not, because I don't want to have to get it towed in the first week of ownership. But as a little positive point here, I noticed when I was taking off some of the panels here and also taking off the seat, that on this side they do provide you with the Allen key on this right side here that you can use in the toolkit provided with the bike. However, there's another size Allen key you need to use on this left hand side of the bike, which is not included in the toolkit. So I will provide the size for that. Just a little note that I saw as I was working on the bike, something I figured out, but hopefully she gets started soon and I can go for a ride.